Lima ka asawa,
Lima ka bayot.
lima ka problema,
Lima ka problema.
lima ka bayot, lima ka sakit sa lamot.
Sarap mo.
Okay guys.
Ano
Kaya
ba?
pa rin nga vlogger. Vlogger no? Vlogger ni?
Lima ko na yung asawa.
Lima itang asawa.
Lima po bayot, lima po kuno sakit yung lubot. Lima kuno sakit yung lubot, kaya lima man ka bayot.
Lima ka asawa,
Lima ka bayot.
lima ka problema,
Lima ka problema.
Ginawa ko.
lima ka bayot, lima ka sakit sa lamot.
Sarap mo.
I got another one for you. I got another one, mate.
Yeah.
What is the number one fish in the Philippines? The number one fish?
Yes.
What is it? Bangus, tilapia,
Ay, bangus ko ag bangus.
Bangus.
shellfish.
Surface.
Shellfish.
Surface.
Ah, surface is bangus.
Shellfish.
Shellfish.
Kaya na maot
Shellfish
baso
is
lang.
the fish.
Nalumping na baso.
Shellfish.
Milkfish.
Shellfish. 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 It's a joke. Hinay, no patay. Bye bye.
Kamao sa Bisaya guys. Tanawa guys. Kamao mo Bisaya. Okay. Tuwa na.
Kama.
Yung vlog to siya kag bidyuhan mo kapag ano lagi yung magkulang reklamo. Mo dito siya gamisit na.
Starring lagi mo na to.
Lagi kiana no bitaw. Ano documentary ba? Ang rexi ko yung kani ko do na brace. Iya igual pa din. Ito na yung kauban niya.
Guys, ning hapit may dari jadi Amerikano nga nag-vlog. Para guys to ah.
May lima ka asawa, lima ka problema.
Ala na ana. Ala.
Why I wear orange? Orange.
Yeah, very nice.
I am from Netherlands. Netherlands color is orange. Rotterdam, Netherlands.
Yeah,
Netherlands, orange.
from Netherlands.
Very nice. I'm in the Philippines for 30 years, since 1992. First time
1992?
to Pilar in 1992.
Oh.
And those, and you know what is the most stupid question you can ask now? Do you like the country? What do you think? I'm here 30 years. What do you think? I like it.
Wow, thank you.
I was on GMA radio, Capuzzo on Sunday, and they asked me, what do you think about the Philippines? The listeners, is it safe? And I said, well, it's more safe here than in Europe. I feel very safe here. It's a safe country.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Okay.
love Philippines.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy, Ako.